What's on the menu? Venison jerky. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And this marinade I mix up, it really tastes good. Oh, and smelling this, I can taste the jerky now. And as you're mixing it, don't get aggressive with it. Just make sure this marinade gets all over the venison. And as we get through here, I pulled out a little piece of fat there. Kind of push it down where the marinade comes up even with the top of the meat. Now you don't have to do this. Some people just bring it right out of the marinade and set it on the rack. I like to pat it down, get most of the liquid off of it. And if you get most of the liquid off of it, it's going to speed up the dehydration process. You can load these trays up with a lot of meat or whatever you're dehydrating. And about every hour I would come out and rotate the trays. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help my channel tremendously. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.